Hello and welcome back to Videozen Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Idea to Video feature. So as the name suggests, Idea to Video is basically if you have no idea what you want to put in your video content, so you can use this for multiple types of videos. So once you click on Idea to Video, you'll see this pop-up box where you have various options. What should be the idea? What is the idea of your video? So basically, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say I'm a sales manager and we sell bamboo straws, and I want to train my sales team on how bamboo straws are in more environment friendly compared to plastic or paper straws. So I'm just gonna give it a simple prompt saying bamboo straws, and you have other options as well. You can choose any language. I'm gonna go with English. You can choose your target audience. So this is for my sales team, so I'm gonna go with adults. And the video type, so it is an informative video, and you can also select the duration. I'm gonna go with 30 seconds. So if you have any media, you can upload it or also paste any URL for reference. So I have a blog which I can refer to, so I'm going to add it and I'll click on generate script. Within a few seconds, it's going to give me an amazing transcript. So the hassle of coming up with the content has been eliminated, and you can go ahead with your video then. So here you can see the text has been generated. You can select any template of your choice and click on generate. So once you hit on generate, it's gonna appear on your recent videos and you can watch the video. It's gonna take a few minutes, but the video will be ready. And this is how you use Idea to Video tool. Thank you so much for watching.